really makes you think of like, I don't even know, just like delicious desserts. Like, and this one's kind of brown. Oh, sorry, I just got hungry. Hey y'all, what's up? It's Z to the I, A to the S-I-A. It's your girl Zai Asia, and I'm back once again to slay a day. But before we get into all that, if you love all things beauty, fashion, and fun, make sure you subscribe because I slay and I have a fun time doing it. And I would love for you to join me. Today I will be reviewing and trying out the lip gloss collection. It's from the Havana Camila Cabello collab with Loreal Paris, and it comes in 4 shades that I'm so excited to try. We have here with us, this is Serendipity. It's a nice peach pink. Then we have what I think is going to be my favorite. This is Lit Up. And we have Desnudo, which is nude in Spanish. Nice brown color. And we have what I believe is a trademark color, Camila. A nice pink. Yes, for those of you who are interested, this wig I have on is a Sensational Rule Breaker. And I've had this wig for over 2 months now, yeah. The video I did for this wig actually has gotten me the most views on my YouTube channel for a single video. So thank you guys so much for liking, commenting, and subscribing. I really love and appreciate the support. I really love this packaging. I feel like this is so so cute. It's so cute, it's unique, it's different, and it definitely makes me think of like somewhere tropical, like Cuba. You know, I know it's like they're really colorful. So it really, I think it's really true to the theme. And I'm going to try the Camila pink color. Wow, that smells, oh, wow, that smells heavenly. It smells like fresh rope, like fresh flowers and candy. Like, I kind of smell a little bit of vanilla. And the one that I suspect will be my favorite of them all, this is Lit Up. Yes. Yes. On my Kylie Jenner no lip fillers. So this here is the 3rd color. This is Serendipity. Let's see what this Serendipity is hitting for. It's a pretty peach. I feel like these are all really like, these shades are not that intense. Like, I don't really know how to explain it, but I mean, it's cute, but it's just, I don't know. I was just expecting a little bit more. Next, we're going to try Desnudo, which is the chocolatey brown color. And they all have like a cinnamon, vanilla flavor to them. It really makes you think of like, I don't even know, just like delicious desserts. Like, and this one's kind of brown. Oh, sorry, I just got hungry. So here is Desnudo. It has a more of a brownish tint to it. I just would have liked a little bit more versatility in these shades because I'm not getting that much. I'm not getting that big of a difference. This is no doubt my favorite of the 4 shades. It is it's like a copper with a nice shimmer to it, called Lit Up. Yes.